Welcome, beautiful Bravehearts. It's Dr. Sage Wolf coming at you. I'm just out in beautiful Penticton, British Columbia right now, training a wonderful family on how to do wolf non-surgical restoration and working with their daughter. You're going to see them over the next couple days. I'll hop online here and we'll kind of talk about their journey and their story. But I wanted to say, what kind of relationship do you have with yourself? Because it is number one. You can have a partner, you can have a friend, you can have family members. If you are not number one in your life to you, everything ends up falling down. Because where's your diet? Where's your mentality? Where's your hydration? Where's your smile? Every single day, if you don't wake up and the first thing you do, you start giving yourself some form of affirmation or telling yourself that like you got this and you're gonna have a great day. Do you have any idea the negativity out there that's out there to set you off? It's a plethora of things. And how easily do you get set off? Because if you're triggered that easy, we know that something underlying you don't like about you. And that's okay, guys. It's okay not to completely love yourself. But the thing is, you need to start realizing that you don't completely love yourself. Because when we say like, oh, you don't love yourself, people are like, oh, I love myself. I do. But where are you going wrong? Where do you not love yourself? Where do these like small aspects come in that you didn't drink water this morning when you got up? You forgot to brush your teeth. That's a bad one, but you didn't drink water. Maybe I got up in a grumpy mood and I went straight to work. What do you do for work? Are you working around people on a daily basis? Like, you need to be giving out positive energy and love all the time. And it's not the easiest job in the world. Total health, total love is a 24/7 self-serve job. If I'm not waking up every day doing some form of journaling, doing some form of physical activity, guys, like, people are so stagnant nowadays. I watch friends waste 5, 6, I even do it too. Like, I'm online with you guys a lot too. I'm doing stuff, I'm messaging clients back, but the amount of wasted time on your cell phone, it's absurd. And that constant blue light EMF bringing down your vibration, like allowing your immune system to be undermined. And then you didn't hydrate well enough. So now your body's on fire, your adrenal glands are burnt out, and then you're not eating properly. And so you're putting a lot of acidic foods in. Why do you think you feel so sluggish? Why do you think you feel so moody and I'm good now and I'm bad then? Because we're constantly putting in substances and we're constantly buffering ourselves down to just be okay, to just make it through. I don't want to make it through anymore. I want to learn how to take my power back. And that's what we do here at the Detox and BraveHeart Nation. We teach you the most powerful body work known to date. We deal with scar tissue, crystallization, and calcification. We'll go in there, we'll lovingly pull this apart. I'll push you a bit, or you can learn this yourselves. You and your family can learn how to heal each other. Scoliosis, carpal tunnel syndrome, fibromyalgia, just aches and pains. That doesn't need to be part of your daily basis, guys. You deserve to live a life of beauty, essence, amazingness all the time. And it's not going to happen all the time because when you're going up, eventually you have to come down, but the downs are way more fun than the ups are, because that up next is going to be me rising up above myself. That down was the thing to teach me the lesson. I didn't learn anything winning all the time. I learned from losing. So become the greatest loser ever and just keep that smile on your face and know that you are a winner in your heart, and that's all that matters. So if you guys are interested in like learning about the Detox, learning about non-surgical, or like becoming a whole life coach, or just wanting to become healthier, or if you're already a practitioner who wants amazing tools under your belt, check us out at BraveHeart Nation. Change the way you think, change the way you live, and I just hope everybody has the most magical day ever. Until tomorrow, blessings.